In this video, I'm going to talk about installation of Microsoft apps. If you're interested in Office apps, majorly they are concentrated on desktops, laptops, so they're also made for mobile. They are optimized, as you can see, productivity, Microsoft apps. So Microsoft apps are by far the most popular tool and most powerful, phenomenal tools for editing documents, creating media. Let me say Word for making Word documents, Excel for spreadsheets, PowerPoint for presentations, and so on. OneNote for taking notes. So there are many apps from Microsoft. So one of the best features is that you can work from a mobile device and also finish later on a desktop. So if you want to read documents, they will work very well on mobile, the apps. So installation of the apps is very simple. All you need is an internet connection. So open your store and download the apps. If you're using Android, you can use the Google Play Store. So for iOS, it is App Store. So installation is so simple. You can search for them on the App Store and get them, so you can download and easily use your device for productivity. So me as a student, I mainly use the apps for productivity. So doing assignments, handing in my work, and also editing my work, and also reading. So if you're an office worker, student, or a businessman, so a business personnel, so this could improve productivity out of office. So this pandemic caused a lot of issues. This is the App Store, so you can browse for all the apps you need. You search Microsoft. So we have Microsoft Office. It combines Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. So this is Microsoft Office. I don't have it in this device, but I can get it. You have Microsoft Word for making Word documents. So you can quickly create, edit, and also view your files and also share them quickly. So Microsoft PowerPoint for making presentations. The products will vary by size depending on your device you're using. Microsoft Excel, so spreadsheets and data analysis. So Microsoft Lens, you have Microsoft Teams, Microsoft SharePoint, OneNote, Microsoft OneDrive, and also Microsoft Edge. So these are productivity apps to boost your performance at the organization. So me as a student, I mainly use them for academics and also organizing myself for lectures. That's it for this video using Microsoft app. They are handy tools to do productivity and finish tasks out of office. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe, and if I missed anything, so feel free to give me a thought by commenting in the comment section. So thank you for subscribing to my channel. I enjoy when you watch my content, so that motivates me to make more content. Hope yourself, stay safe, sanitize, stay home. See you in the next video. Bye bye.